Fix Spotify not working or playing music song problem solved. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix Spotify not playing music or not working problem solved. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go to Play Store and then make sure to update your Spotify app. Okay, after updating, if you're using iOS, then make sure to update from App Store, and then after updating, just get inside the Spotify app, and here you can see on the top right corner there is an gear setting icon. Simply click on it, and then guys, just scroll down. After scrolling down, you will find one option here. Let me just show you. Just scroll down. Here you can see clear cache option. Here just you need to click on it, and then after clicking on it, here you can see you have to clear the cache. Okay, after doing this, just go back and then go to your phone settings. Here, after going to phone settings, go to app. Here you can see app. Just go to app or install app and go to the app list or app management. After this, here you have to search for Spotify. Okay, or you can just scroll down and then you can search for it, Spotify. Click on the permission button, and then here you have to allow each and every permission. Okay, after allowing each and every permission, just go back and then click on storage usage, and you have to clear the data as well as the cache. After doing this, just you need to go back and then check it out whether the problem has been solved or not. Guys, if it is not solved, then what you need to do is that you just need to delete this Spotify application from your device, and then after deleting, just go to settings and then check whether your software or system is asking for any kind of update or not. So here you can see, just check it. If your device or system or software is asking for any kind of update, make sure to update your device. After updating your device, restart your phone and then download the Spotify app again. After downloading it, your problem will be absolutely solved. Guys, again, if it is not solved, then please DM me, please comment me down below. I will definitely gonna help you out personally. Thanks for watching.